Hi, I'm Chelsea, and welcome to Maplewood Village, the lowest priced new single-family homes in the Seneca Valley School District. A quaint community of only 46 homes in Evans City with low Butler County taxes. Living here, you'll love the easy access to conveniences and entertainment. Just a few minutes from the streets of Cranberry, Cranberry Mall, and Cranberry Commons Shopping Center. Say goodbye to feeling inconvenienced by errands. These centers include shops such as Giant Eagle, Target, Lowe's, HomeGoods, and TJ Maxx. With Route 228, Route 68, I-79, and Route 19 just minutes away, you'll be where you want to be without the hassle. There's so much to love in a home that's all yours. Your attached two-car garage means no more parking outside and dealing with the Pittsburgh weather. Skip scraping ice off your windshield and spend less time outside on a cold winter morning. You will be proud to welcome friends and family for holidays and cookouts. All of the homes are designed with open floor plans and tons of natural light. An open floor plan on the main level means that you can help with homework while cooking dinner. 3 to 5 bedrooms means everyone has a space of their own, with room for the family to grow and not to have to worry about moving again. An extra bedroom can serve as a guest room for an out-of-town visitor or a dedicated place to spend time on a hobby. All of our homes include a 10-year structural warranty that give you more peace of mind than you'd get with an older home. Let us show you how easy it is to purchase your brand new home with us at Maplewood Village. Visit our website to take the next step. We can't wait to welcome you home.